Jharkhand was among the top 5 states that presented a dreary picture on key health indicators as per the National Family Health Survey 2015-16. Surveys also showed a poor coverage of micronutrient supplementation programs. Recognition of the situation pointed to the need of an immediate rejig in the supply chain management of micronutrients. The National Health Mission Jharkhand identified bottlenecks in the supply chain management as a first step in this transformative journey. The findings pointed to major gaps in procurement, supply and distribution, DVD MSE Aushadhi, knowledge and practice of ANMs, and stock management. The National Health Mission Jharkhand used a multi-dimensional strategy to strengthen the supply chain management of micronutrients based on the State Action Plan for Micronutrient Supplementation. In this endeavor, VCAN supported the National Health Mission Jharkhand as a facilitating partner in implementing interventions across the state. A strategic threefold approach was adopted that included supporting the National Health Mission Jharkhand in implementing the intervention, implementing key intervention in 2 pilot districts of Dumka and Lohardaga, and amplifying learnings to other districts. Interventions played a crucial role in ensuring the success of this strategy. These included advocating to build consensus for creation of a robust and comprehensive strategy, ensuring regular assessment of the supply chain mechanism and course correction, customizing the DVD MSE Aushadhi platform for enhancing technical support, verification of data through spot checks at facilities and telephonic surveys, statewide intensive training and orientation program by NHM, UNICEF and VCAN for capacity building of personnel managing the supply chain. These interventions showed promising results. Some of the key evidential achievements were visible in the form of increased budgetary allocation over the years as a result of continuous engagement with the government. The successful demonstration of the strategy adopted by VCAN in pilot districts has also led to the intervention being scaled up to all 24 districts of Jharkhand. Evidence shows that the intervention is both scalable and sustainable. So, what are the key lessons from the intervention? Budgetary allocations are crucial for effective planning and financial control. Supply chain strengthening calls for increased collaboration among partners and policymakers. System for real-time monitoring and strategic use of data play a guiding role in sustaining efforts and course correction. Institutionalizing review meetings within the mechanism leads to better performance. Continued capacity building measures and supportive supervision help sustain the processes.